Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So, hey guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to stick this anywhere, but I figured I'd go ahead and film it because your girl is legit having breakfast. I never have breakfast, guys. I just don't. I don't know, I'm just not a breakfast person, but I've been up for hours and I can't fall back to sleep, so it's too late now to go back to sleep and my whole day will be slept away. So what I did was I cut up some salami. It comes on a long roll. We use it a lot when it comes to making rice and beans. We chop that up into little chunks, but there was some left over, so I decided to slice it up. Now I did do a fried egg. Let me go ahead and see if I can't get in here and hold the camera properly. I may have to switch you around. Okay, there, that's a little better because I'm right-handed and now I can hold it with my left hand. So first thing is, we have an egg. I do have some white biscuit gravy, or country gravy they call it, that I made last night, and there's a little bit of that in the fridge, so I'm going to heat that up, but you gotta have salt, a little bit of salt. I don't use much salt, but I do use tons of pepper. Sorry if the camera gets swung all over. You know I'm not really good at this. Then you have to have definitely some paprika. At least, sorry, oops, I dropped something. At least I like paprika on my eggs. And then a little bit of salt because, like I said, I don't go heavy on the salt. That salami is pretty salty as it is. What else are we putting in here? Nothing. And this is a non-stick pan, as you can see. Let me turn these over. This is getting a little crazy. Hang on. Need my left hand, my right hand for this. Don't like to use metal on this pan. This is one of my favorite pans, guys. You don't have to put anything down as far as like grease or... I never use grease, but like butter or anything like that. You don't even have to do that. This pan is amazing. I got this. You guessed it. It is one of my freebie opportunities. It's the Ninja Shark. So now I pop the yolk because although this is... I do like dippy eggs for this dish. I'm not going to have that. I'm going to put it over some toast with the salami. The salami's going on top of the egg. And yeah, I'm going to put it over my toast. Of course, you got to melt a thing of cheese on there, which is not... This is low-fat cheese, which I'm not crazy about. I don't mind it too much when it's on the thing. You can kind of see it's falling apart. That's how I know that it's low-fat. Yeah, I didn't even use any butter on this, guys. I am so excited that I don't have to use butter. This is optional. I take sometimes just a little bit of, let me see if I can get it on camera. I just take a couple little Italian seasoning and smack it on there. And yeah, this is pretty much done. Very quick meal. I'm right here. I'm toasting my bread in the pan that I cooked everything in. Because this is a non-stick pan, it shouldn't stick. This is the lazy way to do toast, I guess. I do have a 4-slicer toaster, but it's underneath my cabinets. And then I do have a brand new 2-slice toaster that I got through my try and review opportunities. That one, I think I showed that all to you. If not, it's coming in the freebie haul. But yeah, I decided to just go ahead up and brown up the bread like this. Now, I don't need 2 slices. I will butter probably this one. Maybe I'll show you the sauce cooking. Hang on. So here's just the beginning part. And I did put the butter on there. I remember my grandma always had butter sitting out where you could just butter your bread so easily. I don't know. I miss my grandma. Okay, so I am just frying up the rest of the... I made this last night a little bit. Let me turn that down. Oh. Hey, a question to you guys. Tito and I filmed a video in the summer. It was a HelloFresh video. We had gotten it for a few weeks and just to try it out. So we did a video together and I was wondering, do you guys want to see? So this is just the leftover gravy that I had. Now, this is so extra and I definitely do not need to add this because I did make this from scratch. It's got butter, it's got milk, you know, some flour, and I made it from scratch from my grandma's recipe with some seasonings, salt, pepper. And it just comes out really good. And I love this gravy on just about anything, really. So I'm going to pour this over the whole thing when I'm done. This is so extra. I really don't need this. Like, ugh. But it is in my breakfast for the morning. Most important meal of the day, right? Isn't that what they say? Anyway, yeah, this might be just a little video shorts. I don't know how to really do shorts. You know me and my mouth. Anyway, let me go ahead, and this is good and heated up now, so I will go ahead and put it on my stuff. Hang on. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm doing here. So I just went ahead and I piled the 1 egg, the 3 thin slices of salami on top with the cheese on top of the egg, of course. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour the gravy. Now, this is, like I said, homemade gravy that I just quickly heated up in the pan. Could have absolutely done it in the microwave, but I like it, I don't know, for some reason like that. And there you have it. That is breakfast. Now, it doesn't look too good. I mean, it may not be appealing to the eye. I just spruced it up with, you know, some, I don't know, decorations around here. But no, why not? It's just, I'm just going to eat it. So, there you have it, guys. That is my breakfast for the morning. I don't know what you call this. It's kind of like a form of Eggs Benedict, except without hollandaise sauce. I don't know. Fried egg over toast with a couple slices of salami, a piece of cheese, low-fat cheese. It didn't melt very well, but it's okay. And some country gravy. There you have it. Homemade. So, enjoy. Bon appetit, as they say. Or in Spanish, buen provecho. I hope I said that right. Anyway, good morning, guys.